Standard 10, Subject Maths 1, Chapter number 4, Financial Planning, Practice Set 4.2. Question number 3, 4.2. Amir Enterprise purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST of rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari Bros and collected GST of rupees 4,100. Mayank Food Corner purchased this bottle from Akbari Bros and paid GST of rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading and hence find the payable GST, CGST and SGST. Let's see the solution. These are the trading chain: Amir Enterprise, Akbari Bros and Mayank Food Corner. For Amir Enterprise, input tax is rupees 3,800 and output tax that is collected from Akbari Bros is equal to rupees 4,100. ITC for Amir Enterprise is equal to rupees 3,800. Therefore, GST payable is equal to 4,100 minus 3,800, which is equal to rupees 300. Therefore, CGST is equal to rupees 150, which is the half of GST. Similarly, SGST is equal to rupees 150. For Akbari Brothers, input tax is equal to rupees 4,100 and output tax, which is collected from Mayank Food Corner, is equal to rupees 4,500. ITC from Akbari Brothers is equal to rupees 4,100. Therefore, GST payable is equal to 4,500 minus 4,100, which is equal to rupees 400. Therefore, CGST is equal to rupees 200, which is the half of GST. Similarly, SGST is equal to rupees 200. Answer: Amir Enterprises GST payable is rupees 300, CGST payable is rupees 150, SGST payable is rupees 150. For Akbari Brothers, GST payable is rupees 400, CGST payable is rupees 200, SGST payable is rupees 200. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. Malik Gas Agency, Chandigarh Union Territory, purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customers for rupees 26,500. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and UTGST to be paid for this transaction. For Union Territory, there is UTGST instead of SGST. Now, we'll see the solution. Let's see the solution. Now, Malik Gas Agency purchased some gas cylinder. So, GST paid for the rate is 5% on 24,500. Therefore, ITC is equal to 5% of 24,500, which is equal to rupees 1,225. Therefore, input tax credit for Malik Gas Agency is rupees 1,225. Students, let us consider this as 1. The agency sold the cylinder to customer for rupees 26,500. Therefore, output tax by the agency is 5% of rupees 26,500. So therefore, output tax is equal to 5% on 26,500, which is equal to rupees 1,325. Let us consider this as 2. Therefore, GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit, which is equal to rupees 1,325 minus 1,225. This we get from 1 and 2, which is equal to rupees 100. Now, CGST. CGST is equal to half of GST, which is equal to half of 100. Now, half of 100 is equal to rupees 50. Similarly, UTGST, which is equal to half of GST, half of 100. Half of 100, which is equal to rupees 50. Answer: Malik Gas Agency paid GST rupees 100, CGST is equal to rupees 50 and UTGST is equal to rupees 50. Now let's see the next solution. Question number 5. MS Beauty product paid 18% GST on cosmetic worth rupees 6,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. What are the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued? Now we'll see the solution for question number 5. Here we have the MS Beauty product paid 18% GST on cosmetic worth rupees 6,000. Therefore, the GST is equal to 18% of 6,000, which is equal to rupees 1,080. Now, here we see it is sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. So, GST is equal to 18% of 10,000, which is equal to rupees 1,800. Now, GST paid to the government, which is equal to rupees 1,800 minus 1,080 equal to rupees 720. Therefore, the total GST paid is equal to rupees 1,080 plus 720, which is equal to rupees 1,800. Now we'll see here CGST, which is equal to SGST. Now CGST is the half of GST. Now half of GST, which is 1,800, which is equal to rupees 900. Answer: Beauty products paid rupees 900 as CGST and SGST each. Thank you.